You can see here my result. You can simply visit on Zeydoo platform. You can click on a smart link button. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get some interesting results using Zeydoo platform. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You do not need to worry about traffic. I will also share with you traffic method. Watch this video till the end. Before we start, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to the video. You can see here my result. You can simply visit on Zeydoo platform. You can click on a smart link button. Now you can add your traffic source. You can type your source name. Like if you have traffic on your Facebook page, then you can type your Facebook. If you have traffic on your Instagram page, then you can type your Instagram. And then you can click on create button. Here you can see a smart link. You can copy this smart link. Now in next step, you can go on 𝒕𝒉�𝒏 platform. You can select your country. If you will select United States country, then you can generate good amount of leads. You can select your city. You can select any of the city. Now you can select your category. You can click on post ad button. You need to create account on this platform. You can click on post free ad button. You can select your location. You can select United States, Canada, Europe, Asia. You can select any of this location. Click on this button. Now you can type your ad title. You can type your ad description. You can type your United States. Now you can type your email address. You can upload your attractive image. Now you can read and accept its terms of service. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on continue button. Guys, you can insert your smart link in description. When any person will click on that smart link, then Zeydoo platform will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete an action, then Zeydoo platform may create your account. Guys, you can use 𝒕𝒉�𝒏 to get traffic. You can create your advertisement.